So another creator gave you a random Base44 promo code and it didn't work. Don't worry, I got you. I'll show you how to save 20% for the best AI app builder, Base44. To get the Base44 deal, all you got to do is click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Once you click the link, the Base44 coupon code will automatically be applied to you. All you have to do is scroll down, and once you open it, click See All Plans, and there you can see the confirmation that the Base44 promo code works. There's no guesswork, no copy and pasting, it's all there. Now let's break down what Base44 offers and whether it's worth your money. So in case you're still not sure, I'm gonna give you a quick Base44 review, and my experience with this no-code app builder has been nothing but positive. So I managed to build a fully working app in under 5 minutes. I mean, it's basically just a task tracker, but it already has a back-end database and UI just from a single prompt. And as you can see, you can edit the UI however you like just by chatting with the AI chatbot. Also, everything is built into one place, so you don't need any extra tools. So Base44 is kind of the perfect platform if you want to launch an app fast or test ideas or just simply build without dealing with any technical setup. So go ahead and grab that Base44 coupon code in the description and create that app you've been thinking of. Oh, and while you're there, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.